Hello, hello, hello. It's that time again. Um, Give me 1 second here. Today I'm thinking about doing a little bit of a quieter stream, maybe. Usually I read every single thing on screen, but then my mouth gets dry. I start getting a little tired out. I think today I'm not going to read everything. I'm just going to. Oh, hey, it's okay. I think I'm just going to read chat if people talk. Getting sick of this microphone being in my face too. But I'll keep it here for right now. Okay, programming essentials. It feels really weird to not read everything out loud now. I've gotten used to it. Bad streamer. I mean, nobody's watching this back, right? One hundred, 100, 100. Alright, what collectible are we using? I know they do. Totally. We could do coins. I don't think I want to do the one that they're telling me to do. Like, it wants me to do stars for the car. Is there anything better? Money, hell yeah. Hearts, gemstones, fish bones? What? Dirt is literally just a brown cube. I might do coins. Oh, the coin has like a paw on it. Apple. I'm doing... what am I doing? Money. Let's do money. Alright. Drag and drop the money into the scene. Boop. Why is it so tiny? How big is money, really? Let me see. What is sake? R? Yeah. How do I... There we go. Say something like... That is probably good. I remember everything. I haven't forgotten a single thing. I guess I'll rotate it like... Let me do like this, like that way. Alright. Next. Scripts. Create. Okay, create. Mono behavior script. Wait. From the screen to the ring, from the pin to the king. Did that not work? Create. Okay, that's weird. I swear I just clicked that. Collectible. Spelling the name is important because it becomes part of the script. Press enter to have the script name. You'll see the code of the new blank script in the inspector window. If you make a typo in your script name after you know in the hierarchy, select the collectible game object. Boom. Sorry, in the hierarchy, select it. Shut up. You've until you fall from your Steam hotels until you fall. Whoa. Almost leaked everything. Like, Steam always says I have games on my wish list that are on sale, and it's like, when did I ever add this to my wish list? What the hell is this? Some VR game? At this rate, you're gonna be done in a year. With my first game? I think we could like half that, I think. But at this point, I really have no frame of reference. I don't know what it's gonna take from here. I'll probably just start with like a little circle jumping around and stuff, and then, well, I don't know. I don't really know what to do, so I'm gonna wait until I get there, and we'll figure it out. Okay, so this, just go over here, right? Yeah. What's with all the ads? I don't know, you must be making me some good money. Take a minute to review the structure of the default script you just created. This might feel overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to programming. It's important to remember that understanding the nuances of scripting is a gradual process. Double click the collectible script to open it. Oh wait, here. The endings in the following file are not consistent. Because I probably don't want to do anything to the code. Locate the start function. This function is executed at the beginning of the game. Locate the update function. Unity runs this function once per frame. Games will run 30 to 60 FPS, so any code, this function will be executed that many times continuously throughout the game, making it suitable for ongoing actions and animations. This is where you'll put your rotation code, so the collector will rotate continuously. Select the collectible object and frame it in the scene view so you have a good... Okay. At the top of the scene view, make sure you're using the local coordinate system instead of global. In the inspector window and transform component, locate the rotation coordinates. Click and drag the label Y left to change the Y-axis rotation. Okay. You'll add the codes that rotate. Got you. It's time to add continuous rotation for your collectible script. Do this by manipulating the object's transform component, which controls the object's position, rotation, and scale. Specifically, you'll use the transform rotate method and a built-in Unity function that makes an object. Yo, hello. Makes an object rotate in three-dimensional space. For a simple rotation effect, you'll change the Y value, which, yeah. Rotation rotate function, the collectible rotate each frame, make it appear to smoothly continuously rotate. Okay. Open the collectible script in the script editor. Put your cursor inside the update method between the sets of curly brackets. How's the game going on? You know, very little progress as usual. It's only day 7 though, okay. By day, I don't know what day. By day 90, it will be a playable game. And if not by day 90, then by day 180. If not by day 180, then by day 365. And if not by day 365, then I'm giving up. Where's the car? It's here. Just give me a second. Okay. Don't worry. The car is still here. Transform.rotate 010. Oh, hold on. Wait. Oh, between the curly brackets. Dude, I almost coded wrong. Okay, transform dot rotate 0 1. Is there a space there? Like that? There's always somebody like spamming emotes, but I have no idea who it is. Or emojis. Don't forget to add a semicolon at the end of the line of code. Like this. No issues found. Okay. This line instructs you need to rotate it 1 degree around the y-axis in each frame, causing a continuous rotation effect. So this by pressing Control S, and then go into play mode. Let's see if this works. Oh my god. I've just made GTA 6. Look at that. I can't pick it up yet, but hell yeah. Oh. That's pretty sick. Did everyone see that? Rotating money? Alright. Yeah, I'm really next up right now. Reduce speed to decimal float value. You might notice that the collectible rotates really quickly. However, if you try to reduce from 0 to 0.5 or 1 to 0.5, you get an error. Decimal numbers are treated as float values. A float, short for floating point number, is a data type that can handle decimals. Okay. Reopen the collectible script in your script editor. (0.5f). Okay. Add an F at the end. Try to remove the F to see the error in your code. Okay. Wait, let me just see what it looks like. So if I change this, no F. Yeah. Cannot convert double to float. But if I add the F, then this should work. It'll be half the speed. Okay, that's a good speed. Look at that, man. This is huge. Dude, oh, it's a little bit faster than me. Alright. Alright, I see it. Cool, nice. Looks great. That's all I needed to hear. Okay. Open the collectible script in your script editor. I have the start method, but after the first opening of the curly bracket. Okay. So after this, gotcha. Hit enter. Important. Play close attention to the demo video to see where to put this code. Putting in the wrong section of your script. Alright, let's see. Yeah, I'm doing that, okay? I'm not an idiot. Alright, hold on. So I can clean this up by like, I can add like another enter. Is that really necessary? I mean, obviously it's not, it worked without it, but maybe I should do that. Okay, here. Declare a new public float variable before the start method by adding the line public float rotation speed. Public float rotation speed. What do I think of the Tesla Y? I think it's a really great piece of technology. But now is probably not the time to own a Tesla. I think yeah, it's pretty impressively inexpensive. Oh, my dad's calling my phone. Yeah, have you seen Chinese EVs though? Absolutely insane. They're tariffed at 100% because they're like 10K for like the craziest EV you've ever seen. They like drive sideways and stuff. Yeah, they kind of like blackpilled me on Tesla now. I'm like, dang, I wish I lived in China at this point. I don't know how China's beating us at like consumerism when they're not even a, well, I guess they are kind of a free market, but you know, we're the free market capitalist country and they're absolutely destroying us with their communism when it comes to free trade. Give me a second. No, I definitely don't want to be in China. I don't want to say anything bad about China because the Chinese government will nuke me, but I'm very patriotic. Okay, I love America. Give me a second. My dad said there's food. I'll be right back. Dude, there's like a million messages in the chat. In China, I wanted to jump off of a bridge because of the air. Vilzio. Hello. Did I have one of the waters that won't open? It's just infinitely spins. I have to like... Come on now. Okay, look, the whole thing came off with the little ring. Now it won't go back on. It's so annoying. Had to pull the pin like a grenade. Maybe I want you to understand it's not catch a grenade for you. Where were we? Public float rotation speed. This creates a public variable named rotation speed. This type of float where public as opposed to private makes this value editable in the inspector window. Oh, okay. See, I've always seen the private and public things and never really understood what that meant. That makes sense. Leaving a lowercase letter for the first word, but uppercase letters at the start of the all subsequent words is known as camel case and is a common practice when naming variables. It's called camel case because it kind of looks like a camel from the side with humps at the center of the word. Now replace the hard-coded rotation variable with the new variable you just created. So transform rotate, 0 rotation speed. Okay, wait, I'm kind of understanding this actually. So get rid of this and then put the rotation speed variable that I just created up here. So public float, meaning that it can work with decimals. Rotation speed is the name. This creates the variable because it's outside of the start code and outside of the update code. So this is just like stuff that exists. Like this is just me creating stuff. Oh, you can't even see that. Look at my text. All right. Yeah, so this, like, I create the variable up here, right here, public float rotation speed, and then I can use it in the start or update. Start is just on game start. These things happen, which right now there's nothing. And then update is, wait, was I supposed to put it here? Yeah. Yeah. And so then I put my variable here, which means that I'll edit, it will come up in the inspector window, maybe? Let me see. Yeah, save the script, and when you switch back to Unity, no errors, right? Cool. Okay, let's see. Yes, that is so sick. So then I can do 0.5 since it's a float and not a whatever the other thing is. Just to see, let me set it to like 10. It should spin really fast. When I go eat burgers. I had a burger. Look at that. That is so cool. Dude, I'm actually scripting. And I feel like I have a much better understanding than I thought I would at this point. Like, I could probably write my own little script at this point. You see the dollar, Clancy? Is that cool or what? That is so sick, dude. Actual professional game developer. Yeah, it's very cool. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. If you ever want to adjust that value in the future, you don't need to open a script. Yeah, that's actually sick. That's so good. That's going to be really important for the game I want to make, because I need like everything to be a variable, you know, that I can adjust. Like I'll have like, you know, the reload speed, the bullet drop, the number of bullets, the whatever, jump height, amount of jumps, stuff like that. That'd be sick. Congratulations on writing your first line of code to make a collectible rotate about the y-axis. Here are some of the things you learned. Let's go. I'm feeling good right now. I'm feeling like I could go all day long at this point. Alright. Now we gotta make them disappear and spawn a cool particle. Yeah, and then we need a number counter or something, man. Maybe that's in the more things to try section. Alright. Cool. You can achieve this with the... Wait. With the is trigger property of the collider component. When you tell a collider component to act as a trigger instead of a physical collider, it will no longer have a solid barrier. So okay, the trigger collider makes an object act more like a cloud, even though it looks solid. An airplane can still pass right through it, and the pilot knows when they've gone through it. Make sure that the collectible is positioned in your scene so the player can run into it. Enter play mode and try to collect. Yeah, I've already done that. Select the collectible object, locate its collider component. Box collider, right? Yeah. Okay. Enable the is trigger. Boom. Enter play mode test again. Verify that you can move through it. Okay. Cool. Okay. Next. The next step, you'll write code to detect when a player makes contact with the collectible. You'll achieve this in your script using the onTriggerEnter function, a special Unity function that is called when one object enters a trigger. It's important to note that onTriggerEnter is only called if at least one of the objects involved has a rigid body component attached to it. The player object already has a rigid body component, so you're all set. I said I wasn't going to read everything manually today, but I guess I've changed my mind. Because I'm just a good streamer. It's important to reopen the collectible script in your script editor. Boom, I already got it. After the ending curly bracket of the update method, but before the final curly bracket of the entire script. So, right here. I should like move my camera or something, but let me just make this skinnier because I'm not using all that anyway. Alright. Yeah, pay close attention to the demo video to see where to put this code. I don't need to, man. I know where to put it. Begin entering onTriggerEnter. Okay. onTriggerEnter. What the hell did I just do? Private void onTriggerEnter collider other. Okay, I guess I made that. I feel like there's more curly brackets right now than there should be. Okay, it created new ones for me to write inside of it. Any code you put between those curly brackets will run when an object with a rigid body component collides with the collectible. In this case, you want to make the collider disappear, which you'll do next. Got it. Comments or non-executable lines in your code that serve as notes or explanations. Let's redo // Okay, I know that. Big programmer over here. Yes, I noticed them. On your script, navigate to the onTriggerEnter method. Press enter a few times. Okay, we'll just do this. Destroy the collectible. Okay. But did I put code that destroys it? I'm confused. Oh my god, what am I typing? Collectible. Destroy game mode. Okay, wait. So inside the on-trigger method, press enter. So I'm gonna put this. Let me see where they put it. Okay, they put it right under it. Destroy. Game object. Oops. Semicolon. Save the script. Alright, ready? See if we can collect this now. Boom. That's interesting, but now it's like destroyed. The inspector's completely gone. Is it even possible for it to come back? Can I like undestroy it? My mom's calling me. Hold on. There was a package in my name that wasn't mine. Just got excited, man. I unboxed it, and then it's some like light bulbs that they ordered. The hell? Wait, is it? Okay. I don't know. Does it remove from collectible money? Yeah, it literally removes from the hierarchy entirely. Okay. Prefabs VFX. Stands for visual effects. Okay, I know that one. Double click the various 3D particle system prefabs to preview them. Okay. VFX burst. I like the float up one, I think. Or do I like this one? Burst. You know, I like burst. What about splatter? Maybe I like splatter. I don't know. I could go with whatever. Okay, open your collectible script in your script editor. This loves putting me in this collectible script, man. Below your rotation speed variable near the top of the script, add a new line. Public. Why would I make anything private? collect effect. I guess it doesn't recognize that. Oh, I'm making the name. I see. Hi, sister took computer to play Minecraft. No, you're fine. It's a great game. She's based. Save your script. Select the. Okay, hold on. So if I do this now, on collect effect, then I can add like what into this. To assign the particle effect, okay. Yeah, so I just drag splatter, drag splatter into here? Does that work already? No, okay, I didn't think it would. Gotcha. Okay. On trigger enter. Add an instantiate code as shown below. So // instantiate particle effect. And then it's instantiate on collect effect. Transform dot position. I need to start typing with more accuracy. Transform dot rotation. Transform dot rotation. Oops. Oh, transform. Oh, and then I need a semicolon, right? Yeah. Keep in mind that since this code defines properties of the collectible transform refers to transform, position, scale, rotation, then a reminder so you can interpret the code above. Call the instantiate method. Which object do we want to instantiate? What position should we instantiate it at? I don't really... What does instantiate mean? Oh, it means creating a copy of it during runtime. Make a new instance of that prefab in your scene. Okay, why? Guten Tag. Morgen, Hergen, Morgen, Morgen, Schmorgen. It's my German. Um. Okay. I don't really understand this whole instantiate thing, but that works apparently. I was really following really well the entire time until I got to the instantiate part. I don't really know why that works the way it works, but hey, it works. Oh, can you hear that? I have the craziest neck pops, man. I need to go to a chiropractor. Okay, switch over to global.
Let me jump in this bitch. Let me jump in this bitch too.
I'm live. Play Straft that. Hmm. You know what? Yeah. Well, let me just finish this one thing I'm on, and then this one part of this, like, pathway, and then I'll play a little bit of Straft out on stream, and then I'll go back to what I'm doing. Alright. Smoking on the top fives. Stop playing on that guy. Alright, double click the O3 living room game object to frame it. Boop. You're asking me some hard-hitting questions that I would have no idea about. I have no clue. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if you could, but it would probably only work with a meta headset, but I have no idea, honestly. So I don't even want to give my 2 cents, you know, and then be wrong. Alright, living room. Why is it like centered around the lamp? Top view. Select the move tool. And select your collectible. Control D to duplicate it. Boom. Those are not evenly spaced, dude. What the hell? I'll just compile for Windows if I make a VR game. That's my plan as well. Forget Quest, man. I'm sick of it. Sick of Quest making everything different, you know? Back in the day, it was just PC VR only, you know? And it was simple. Much simpler times. Now you have to develop like 10 different games just to make one, you know? Okay, we'll do that. Let's duplicate it. We'll put one over here. I'm gonna go under the table. Alright. Why did one of them explode? Oh, it's because it touched like a chair or something. But now I can go around, collect all these. Boom, got them all. Easy. MetaQuest is the most popular. The most popular game, Gorilla Tag, completely changes movement, so it's not bad. It's just different. I just hate that, like, now, like, I have a game idea in my head, and it'd be sick to make it, but it's like, if I make it for PC VR, which it would have to be for PC VR, the specific idea I have, then it's like I'm only getting like 10% of the VR market because like 90% of people play on Quest now. It just kind of sucks. But alright, I made it. Now what? Troubles disappear in the Clyde with one of the chairs. I did notice that. To fix this, you'll need to adjust the logic in the code so that only the player triggers the events. Okay. Select the player game object. Open the tag drop down at the top of the inspector window. Okay, so the tag drop down? The hell's that? The hell's this guy doing? Quit playing with the chair. Oh. When you get in 2D variables have an extra 2D thing. What the hell just happened? 2D variables have an extra 2D thing on the end, so rigid body becomes rigid body 2D. Why can't Unity just say you only have 2 numbers instead of 3 and dynamically work in 2D? Yeah, I don't know. Thought that was weird also. I saw that. But then, like, what about for like other things, for like Collider and stuff? Or those are still just Collider, right? It's not like Collider 2D. I don't know. Maybe one day I'll know why. Select player to play that tag in the Collider script, or I mean in the collectible script. Jeez. Use the enter return key to add some space above the destroy command. Okay, so right here, right? Okay, let me make sure I put it in the right place. Yep. I'm a genius, man. I don't need to check. Why is this? Stop playing. Alright. Oops. I'm following if other compare tag player wait, what did I just do? This one. Do I need to put the other curly bracket after player? No. Oh wait. Yes. Yes, I do. Okay. Okay, so I did this. Then I take this code, put it within the if statement. Thank you. All right. That should work. So now, that one with the chair over there should stay in place, even though it's touching the chair. Cool. Cool. 11 of 12, which is really like 12 of 12 because the next one just says, here's what you've learned. In the hierarchy window, select the first collectible game object, then hold down the shift key and select the last collectible game object. Boom. Rename, right click the selected objects and create empty parent. Boom. Rename this collectibles. When an object is selected in the hierarchy window or the product window, you can press F2 to quickly rename it. Oh, nice. So, yeah, cool. You can now expand and collapse. Yeah. Boop. And if I select this, selects all of this. Alright. Boom. Save. Alright. Might be time for a little gaming break for a minute. Let's see if my friend is ready. Hello? Okay.
Yo,
Yeah.
you're live right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready to get owned on live?
Yep. Have you ever turned up your FOV all the way up in that game?
No.
Is that? I think it's a little too much, but like I feel like I'm the Flash in that game whenever I have my FOV up all the way. You should try it out.
What should I say? You know what? I'm just gonna keep this. And then... Why did it change both of them? What? Oops, 7. Okay, wait, this. Why are they like the same thing? Whatever. Add a new text.
I'll invite you.
You have a map playlist you like or something?
No, but there's just some that we've been playing. We've been playing on the same maps. If you haven't realized, like the same exact like rotation, and I just didn't even. I don't think we even added it to our like. Once you unlock a map, you can add it to your like list, and that's what I did. So I have like. Oh no. Oh my gosh, bro. Wait, what?
Invite me.
1 second. All right, play, host, invite. No. Invite. All right. Give me 1 second. So you see the right side? Do you see that?
Wait, invite me again?
Oh. Invite. Fuck, people keep joining, like...
Make it private.
Okay. Friends only.
Yeah.
Select friend, boom, invite.
Alright.
Awesome.
Then.
Awesome. Can you even see the maps or no?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
You notice it makes like the Snapchat sound when you join a lobby in this game? I swear it's the Snapchat notification sound.
It sounds like, just like it, yeah, it does. But not like quite like it.
Ready up, boy.
All right. Change your FOV all the way up if you want to. It's pretty.
I'm assuming it's probably insane because it's like Quake.
It's crazy, dude. You should try it. I lowered it back down to like 100.
It's at
like,
68 by default. Oh my god. Yeah, that's
now run.
insane.
Dude, look at that, dude. You're like the flash.
I'm so fast.
Huh. You haven't played this map, have you?
No.
Yeah, you're trying to play a lot of new maps.
Oh god, I'm dead.
This might be the best 1v1
Okay,
shooter
I
I've
gotta
ever
turn
played.
that back down. Maybe like 90, let me see.
I have 100.
The hell? Come here.
You gotta catch me first, dude. Oh, I got the katana too.
What? Bro.
I've been playing a lot, dude.
I cannot get to you. It's pissing me off.
Ooh, this
It's like
map.
I was running
You
in a
haven't played
dream
this?
right there.
Have you played this?
I don't think so.
God damn it.
Boom. Coming back.
Did you see what I...
Ow. Oh, I had 1 HP. It was 1 HP.
1 HP? It said it's 0 on my screen. Dude. Ugh.
Dang.
This is actually one of my favorite maps right here.
What?
Oh my gosh,
did
bro!
you hit
How
me
do I
right
clip?
there?
How do you clip things if I even do have
OBS.
something enabled? Like, what about like GeForce
Alt
Experience?
F10.
I don't think I had that enabled. But dude, that was insane.
Ah. No, I'm dead, bro. God dang it. Once you get the first hit on me, I'm like, I'm dead.
Yeah, basically.
What even is this gun?
You can also do like some crazy parkour in here. Watch it, like, oh,
Oh.
like just jump on the wall, then jump off, but look fast to the right or wherever you're jumping.
Yeah.
Jump on it, and then you can really get up some places that you never thought you could get up. Oh my gosh, I dropped my gun, dude. Dude, you had an AK, I had a shotgun. There's no way I was winning that. There are some tryhards in this game, but if you play online, it's like, dude, some people are actually like insane.
Hit him!
We got you.
What? Where'd you
You
put
try to go back
that?
in. When did I put that there? Or
God.
wait, what'd you say?
I said, where was it? I didn't even see
It
it.
was right here. I'll show you. I'll show you. It was right here.
Right at the window?
It was like, yeah, it was like right, yeah.
Boom.
Okay.
Oh, yes! Oh,
Dude,
wait,
this game is
that
so
counts as
good.
a trade. That's so annoying.
Boom.
Ooh.
Ah. Ooh. Dude, that's weird. Wait, hold up. Jump and crouch at the same time, but keep holding it. It's like you jump in slow motion in the air, but then
Oh,
you
yeah.
like slide around. It's kind of.
What the hell?
That might be good.
We're supposed to be working. I will, okay, I'm
Ooh,
just
this
taking a
one, bro?
break. It's lunch break. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna
Lunch break.
fall the whole time. I hate how
Oh.
the sensitivity of my sniper scope is like so high.
You can change it. Pretty sure.
I know, but it's like, I have it at the same value as the, oh god. What? I have it at the same value as the rest and it's like way higher for some reason.
Really?
Yeah.
You haven't played this map, have you?
No.
No. Oh, I tried to jump across the thing, dude. Jump, jump, jump. Oh.
Dude, what? I hate the melee weapons in this game.
You're
So
insane, I'm not
dumb.
gonna lie. Dun, 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 dun.
I'm dead,
Yes.
bro. I ran out of ammo.
Ooh.
25 HP. Bro, how are you hitting every shot with that gun?
I'm not. Oh, we played this one already. No, we didn't. Did we?
Yeah, we did. God, I always lose on this map. I hate this map.
Gotta get owned on live right now, bro. Boom,
What?
dude! Holy shit, I'm insane, bro. I've been practicing, dude. I've been practicing. Dang,
Where does it go to?
10. I did 10.
Oh my god. Oh, this map. Wait, that's not what I thought it was. What the hell is that? That's not what I want.
You wanna know what that is?
I know what it is. Yeah, nice
Oh.
try, idiot.
Dude, it's so annoying when I'm battling somebody and we both have it.
What do I have right now? I can't even aim down sight with this terrible gun. Are you low?
Wait, what?
Bro, I had the craziest clutch right there. That was insane. Why?
Oh no, no, oh gosh, I dropped it. And I dropped it, dude. Oh.
I hate melee weapons. They're so stupid.
What? What?
Right.
I hate you.
No, no.
Oh gosh.
Melee weapons are so stupid in this game. I hate them.
Oh my gosh. Oof. Oh! Did you see? Okay. Oh, dude, I forgot how to use that, bro. Oh my god! I literally I missed, bro.
Oh no. Yeah, just keep missing me, man.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, I dropped my gun, bro. Man, I hate when I do that. It's so annoying.
Ooh, that hurt.
Are you, bro? Ran out of ammo.
Dude, I killed my own self, bro.
Killed your own self.
You're gonna laugh. If I pull this off, you're gonna laugh so hard. Oh my gosh, please, dude. No! Oh! Do you even know what I was trying to do? There's somebody
What,
did
you
it to
trying
me
to
before.
proximity mine me?
I was trying to tase you and then set it down right below you. We can move. Well, there's a gun in here somewhere. Oh, there's another gun in here. I know there is. Ah! Damn it.
Well, mine got you.
There it is! Oh my gosh, the gun is way too good, bro. You see what I mean?
Yeah, that's what I had last time too. What? 75 HP, dude. Forget the shotgun, it's useless.
Oh,
Why? How are you 75 HP right there? What?
I don't know. Oh, this is the one I was talking about. Oh my gosh, let me go, let me go, let me go. Damn it!
What's that you trying to do? Get out the map?
Yeah, dude. Oh.
Oh my god, my movement.
Dude, I'm stuck.
Oh, I went back inside.
No! You won, bro.
Oh, yeah. See? It doesn't matter how much you practice, guy. I'm just the GOAT.
No, bro, I wasn't even really trying.
The king.
Damn it! Damn it, bro. Fuck.
He wasn't even trying.
Dude, I just
Don't do that, man.
Ooh.
Dude.
Oh no!
Oh. Does that count?
I don't know. Yes.
Ah. Wow.
Yeah. What did you think, chat? Okay. What are they thinking?
Dude. I hate this
Ooh,
map.
you know, this one I always win, dude. Better
Yes.
watch out.
Like, what? How are you killing me so fast on this map every time?
I don't know.
I actually don't
aim.
understand.
Damn it! Oh. Okay.
Dang it. I don't know how you kill me so fast with that gun that does no damage.
That does so much damage. What do you mean?
That little AR is terrible. What?
No, it is not, dude. That's a good gun. That's a great gun.
What?
Oh my god, I almost killed you too.
Oh, I didn't have ammo. I would have destroyed you right there if I had ammo. Dude, it's like half the fights in this game I lose because I either drop my gun or don't have any ammo.
Boom. Oh my gosh.
I run out of ammo, bro. Every time. I swear, dude. Every single round. And I'm dead.
Damn it, dude. That's so annoying, dude. Fuck.
This gun is so bad.
Oh my gosh, I'm fucking dead.
I dropped my gun, dude. I dropped my gun again. This game triggers me so bad when that happens.
Oh. Damn it, okay.
I hate this map.
We can remove it.
Yeah, we should. Where's the guns, bro? Whole lot of nothing.
Damn it.
Nice try, buddy. Not gonna get me with that. I hate this stupid Mac 10.
Ooh. Damn it.
Jesus, sniper with the highest sensitivity humanly possible.
That's pretty bad.
Ah. Yo, what's up?
No! What's your HP, bro? What? Oh!
W stream, yeah, you know, some people say it's the best stream on the platform. Believe it or not. Sound like you're role playing, dude.
Damn it! Oh, this one, bro.
Oh my god, why is this in the rotation? You should have taken this one out the playlist. Uh-oh.
Ah, that's so dumb, dude. You hear the music? It's got like some jazz music playing.
I don't think we have the same music playing.
No. You kill me through the wall? What?
I don't know.
Bro! Oh, this is one of my favorite maps. You haven't played this one. I played this one a
it's the
lot.
grenade one.
Oh, it is? You know what that is?
Yeah, I hate this one, dude. Why do you like this? I hate grenades. Ow.
Oh! Ow! Dude.
Take this one out of rotation too, dude. I don't know how you like that one.
Ooh. Oh! Okay, I gotta focus, Come on! Yes! Yes! Oh my gosh, bro, come on. Ooh. This one, actually, I don't think I've played it.
We have played this.
Oh my god, dude, I keep trying to like parkour. I'm trying to like do something, dude. I can't do it.
Oh my god.
I keep giving you points because I'm dying, bro.
Thanks, then.
Yeah.
I fell in the void too there, just after you.
No. Hey, this is a good map.
No, I lost. That means it's a bad map.
That's what Clancy would say. Oh my.
Oh.
Yes.
You got me while I was falling, dude.
Yep. Gonna pull the Kanye on you, bro.
Now pull it on you, boy.
That's okay. Dude!
GG's, man. That's best out of 3 right there. 1, 2. Back to back. It's almost too easy.
Are you done now?
I think so. It's time to get back to game development. Gotta make my own game, you know?
Yep. Better be better than this, because I don't know what can beat this right now, dude. This is actually the best game I've ever played. Like, actually, dude, it's fun. Game development.
You wanna see my game?
Right now? Let's see it.
Alright, you see my screen?
Wait, this is the map? This is The Sims?
So,
What is this, bro? What?
here's my game, man.
Wait,
I'm gonna put it on
serious, bro?
Steam. Yeah.
Wait a second. No, wait, hold up. You made the graphics and everything.
No, really, no. They have like, these are all like pre-made assets.
This is the GTA San Andreas money pickup.
Yeah, that's not the same thing. Anyway, how much would you pay for this game on Steam?
50 cents.
Okay. Alright. Well, I'm gonna put it up for 50 cents then.
You actually could. Right now, you could.
Yeah, but I'd have to pay $100 to do it.
Ugh.
Add a jump ability, make the door open when the player approaches, or use generative AI to add multi-camera toggling. What? I think I'm gonna add a jump ability. That sounds fun. The following variable declaration statement below your other speed and rotation variables for the top. Public float jump force equals between
Right back.
opening.
I'm gonna go eat something.
Okay. Update. The following code: if input get button down jump rb.add force vector 3 up jump force mode dot velocity change semicolon semicolon syntax error. What is this? Wait, what's the error? Oh. Equals. Is that not it? Velocity change. Oh yeah, that was it. Okay. Here's what this code means. If input get button down, jump, checks if the jump button is pressed. Jump is configured in Unity's input manager to correspond to a key or button press. By default, the jump action corresponds to the space bar. How do you change that? Reference to the game objects rigid body component used to apply physics. Okay. So rigid body add force vector 3 up applies an upward force to make the object jump. Vector 3 up indicates the upward direction and jump force sets the force magnitude. Jump force mode velocity changes the velocity directly, making the jump instant. Okay. It's a big jump, so I can put money on top of the table now. Oops. Boom. I can jump infinitely as well. Okay. Next. You forget the door thing. You simulate sunrise and sunset. Create a script for Unity that can add to my directional light. No, I'm not using AI to... What? Alright, time for the quiz. quiz. What? Which of the following is true about scripting in Unity? Select 3 correct answers. Scripts attached to game objects can control their behavior, animations, and interactions within the game. Yes. C# is the default scripting language. Use, yeah. Unity only supports JavaScript. No. An external script editor must be used for coding since you can't write code directly in the Unity editor. What is the purpose of the update function, which appears by default in any new script you create in Unity? To handle actions that need to occur on a frame-by-frame basis. To manage the loading and unloading of the game assets. No. To save game data when exiting the game or application. To initialize variables and set up a game. Save before the game starts. There are 2 errors in the line of code below. What were the errors? Transform, rotate. The line of code should end with a semicolon. And the number should have an F suffix. Yeah. Which statements are true about variables in C# programming? Variables in C# can be of any data type, including integers, floats, and even game objects. Variables can occur. 3 correct answers. Variables can appear in the Unity inspector window if they are declared as public within the script. Yes. Variables must be declared within the start function of a script. No. Variables in C# often use camel case notation. Yes. Yes. You have, so let me select, okay, it does, yeah, so 3 correct answers. You have the code below in the collectible script, but for some reason when the player game object collides with the collectible doesn't disappear. What could explain this? Collidable if the tag, the player game object is on the player tag. The collectible object with the script attached does not have is trigger enabled. Yeah, this one. What does the initiate? Oh wait, instantiate. What does the instantiate method do in Unity script? Pause the execution of the script. No. Compiles the script at runtime. This one. It creates a new game object or a copy of an object at runtime. Which I still don't really understand, but I know that's what it is. Creates a copy of an object at runtime, including all its components and properties. Boom, 6 out of 6. Easy. Another perfect score. Done. That's programming essentials down, everybody. Tomorrow or later today, if I want, I'll move on to 2D essentials. We'll learn how to develop for 2D, or learn how developing for 2D differs from 3D as you can create a 2D version of the living room scene. That is 5 steps. All right. Thank you, everybody, for joining the stream today. I'll see you tomorrow or later today if I decide to go live again. Peace out.